My name is Ivan Bratko. I'm a sculptor, an artist. My soul and my roots are from Ukraine. This studio here in New Jersey has become a place for me where clay in my hands finds not just shape, but also meaning. For me, art isn't something confined to museums. It's a living language you can use to speak with the whole world. And I'm happy that I can share this language with others, especially with children. When I watch them, how their eyes light up, how they create their own little worlds without fear or doubt, I learn from them myself. They are a source of pure, genuine inspiration. In their hands, an ordinary piece of clay becomes an adventure. This freedom they have reminds me why I chose this path in the first place. By passing on what I know, I feel that my Ukrainian roots are growing here, in this land too. In every piece created by a child's hands, there's a bit of the warmth and culture that I brought with me. It's more than just sculpting. It's a way to stay connected to my home and to give the gift of beauty to a new generation.